video I tell about how to find out the types of data in whether it is integer, string, float, complex, dictionary, list, tuple, set, none or boolean. It is find out the type of whether it is a which type of data type it is find out code in help of the code. So let's see. I am defining as a equals to 5, then print as a type. It is defining as a type what a declaration has given with 5 as a variable as a. So this is the code format of to find out the expression given it. So see here, this is the integer value. So next one it is b. I'm taking as b equals to as I'm taking here name. I'm taking here as this. I'm taking like this here. Next step, print as type of b. So let's see here, it show as a string because of it is declared inside the double quotes. Inside the double quotes or single quotes is defined as a string. So next is as I'm giving like these numbers and the print as type. I want finding out whether it is a float,